Aton, okay. JB, okay. Ready? JB. That doesn't cross. Back serving, 1-all. Serving ace. Back serving, 2, serving 1. Been serving. Been still serving. Been serving 3. Mabigat ang service. 200 pounds. Another service ace. 6 serving 3. Hard service from Vince. Score goes to Team B, JM serving. That was a block point from Bin. Team B gets a score, 5 serving 6. JM serving. Bin catches the net. Team D gets a score 7, serving 5. Zoe serving. B gets a score, 6 serving 7. Bin on the service line. Service ace from Bin. 7-all. Tricky. Team D gets a score. Peter serving. 8 serving 7. Tight match. Careful in service line. Block point by the middle blocker, turn serve, turn pointer. Bev serving. Third service. Another successful block from Pat this time. Bev on her fourth service of this round. Let's go. Oh, that doesn't cross. Point goes to Team D9, serving 11. Alright, Zoe's now serving. So, Zoe. No, sorry, that's Jackie. My bad. My bad turned to a point to the other court. 12, serving 9. Red serving. Let's go. That doesn't cross. Point goes to Team B. 13 serving 9. Red serving. That was an error. Second error. Team D gets a score 10, serving 13 back on the service line. Let's go back. Doesn't cross. Team B gets a score 14, serving 10. Pat on the service line. No, Pat. Service error. Team D gets a score. Mark on the service line. That was a successful block by Peter. 12 serving 14. Mark still on the service line. That was an error in setting. Team D gets a score. 13 serving 14. Mark serving. Nakahiyan. 14 all. Deadlock. Mark serving for Team D. Another successful block. Team D now takes the lead, 15 serving 14. Mark in overtime. Service ace. Team D 16, serving Team B 14. Broken play. Mark still serving D, serving Team B, 17-14. That goes out. Team D scores. 18 serving 14. 15 serving 18. JV serving. There's cookies here. Sa mga hindi naglalaro, kuha lang 5 pesos per lunch. Bin gets the score. 16 serving 18. Guys, there's cookies here. Kuha lang po kayo. Except for the players. Team D gets a score 19, serving 16. Warning. Service out. 17, serving 19. JM serving. Service A. Okay, stand by Team E versus Team A. Okay, next game yun. Now serving JM or Team B. Team D gets a score. 20 serving 18. Okay, Zoe is serving. Team D gets the point and the game. Thank you. Next game, Team D, Bravo versus, Team E versus Team A. Echo versus Alpha. Referee, Team Delta. Delta, ang referee. Mark, Zoe, Tan, Jackie, Vincent, and Peter, please do the referee. Playing Team Echo versus Team Alpha.